Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Logan, and finally, several years after it was first rumored, it looks like we have a new storage system coming from Ryobi. So as you can see here, we have several different tools in various storage systems, but what Ryobi announced today, or what their teaser of what's coming, looks really cool. Let's sit down and talk about it. So as I said, Ryobi has come out with a brand new, what looks like to be a storage system teaser video, their Ryobi Link system. We'll go ahead and just play this video here. If you haven't seen it, definitely go over to their channel and watch the teaser. So it starts off with some really close-up shots. Not even sure what these are initially. Obviously that one's a wheel. And then everything starts to lift off the ground, even some balls and other things. And we start to see things coming together. And this is where it gets really cool. We see the drills, the bits, all the lawn and garden tools, even a case. And the case hooks to this system, which is super, super cool. It even hooks to other boxes and rolls away, and here we get an awesome shot of the entire system together. So their tagline here is "Own Your Own Space, coming fall of 2021." Again, that Ryobi Link modular storage system. So let's go through a couple of the screenshots, really, because that's about all they've given us. So the first one we see here is the organized. So this one's really cool because it allows you to hang your drills or drivers or other tools upside down with or without the battery. It has a shelf on top for what looks like a fan, a light, and a battery. You also have a place for screwdrivers and bits in the front tray and on the side. Also looks like you could hang some other bigger tools as well. It's got some bigger hooks, or things like gloves could even be hung there as well. And then off to the right, you can even see a larger hanger that hooks in to the system. This is the box. Obviously this one's a little bit more portable, but as we can see here, it even might have some internal compartments so you can put loose things like screws and help keep them organized. And obviously the lid looks like holds down on those, keeps everything in, but it can hold several batteries or a couple of tools. Obviously big enough to hold tools with their batteries, which is, again, really, really cool. And looks like there's metal clasps, fairly robust looking handles. Obviously we don't have our hands on any of this stuff yet, but really, really good looking so far. Not only can you stack them on each other, you can also hang them from the wall. I assume that's just the smaller boxes, because it looked like there was probably at least two, probably three sizes of boxes. And these can, definitely the smallest one can hang on the wall. So that is really cool. It's unclear if you could hang other things from this while it's hanging from the wall. They didn't demo that, probably not, but possibly. We'll have to see when these come out. The large, lowest or biggest box has wheels, handles on the side, and it looked like a telescoping handle on the back to help roll, which is similar to other comparable units on the market right now. And then the big shot here at the end. What's really cool about this is it is completely modular. So each of those, to make the pegboard, are the same pieces that are individual up at the top on the left and on the right. Allows you to build essentially the pegboard as big as you want, or this link system as big as you want, completely modular to fit whatever space that you have, which is really cool, but possibly pretty expensive depending on how much of an area you want to put this link system. But in this one shot, we're seeing all different kinds of things, including shelves with hooks, shelves with the slides for your drills. We've got the different hooks for baseball bats and rackets. There's even a hook with a bag for balls and things. There's just your normal little containers that look like they connect down there at the bottom, which is really cool. There's a basket style that they didn't do a close-up of, but there's a gray basket that also looks like it's a fairly big container. And then, of course, you've got the boxes on the wheels down below. Again, 3 different sizes there. So you have a small, medium, large. Again, very, very similar to other comparables in the market. And it almost looks like you could put another one on top, possibly another small one, or maybe 2 of the medium size bins. Very, very cool. Hopefully we see even more added to this after launch. This is already a very robust system just at launch, but it'll be really cool to see what comes next. Again, we don't have any real information other than just this teaser, so prices and actual release dates we're not clear on, other than just fall of 2021. But in any case, super excited, really looking forward to this. Again, we've seen rumors of their boxes for a couple years now, but this is our first real look and official dates or approximate dates on when we're going to see these. So super excited. Let us know in the comments what you guys think, what you're most excited for, and what you think the prices are going to come in at. Probably going to be more expensive than obviously than things like pegboard, but definitely expect them to be cheaper than some of the other competitors in the market. But we'll see. Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, because we are definitely going to get our hands on these. See you in the next one.